Hey guys, Daniel here. Just a quick video for you today because I haven't got too much battery left on my video camera. So today I'm going to be doing a cold running session at Skegness Central. And as you can see, there is an E-train here that I haven't shown to you before. Here is my Network Rail Class 37. And it will be running the maintenance train that my Class 03 is just shunting into the siding for me now. Good. And today I'm going to be doing some track maintenance because it has snowed outside, I don't know if you can tell. So the tracks are very cold, which means there's probably going to be a lot of moisture on the track, so I need to do some track maintenance in the cold. But anyways, yeah. Okay guys, just leaving the station now. And yes, the signals have failed, let's just say that. But anyways, leaving the station now is my Class 37 97304 John Tyler in the Network Rail colours. So I'm just letting it cross the junction now. Then reverse. Right then guys, the 37 is now coming back round the corner to pick up the train from the sidings at Skegness Central. The tracks are running quite well today actually, but usually in the cold the tracks do get a bit frozen and trains do stall a lot on days like this, but no, seems to be running absolutely fine today. Okay, now running the maintenance train is my Class 37. And yes, the 37 and the 03 will be the only trains operating today. By the way, on maintenance videos like this is the only time you'll see the 37 in action, because that's what I bought it for. We'll try and get some angles. And that is my Class 37 from Hornby Railroad. Now, I have to end the video here. Like I said, it was always going to be a quick video, because I haven't got much battery left, but I got to get onto some track cleaning now, so see you in the next video, guys.